little over midway through this intersection, right, probably like 20 yards from where he actually made impact with the people. And there were people everywhere, like I said.
In cars, too.
In cars, yeah. I don't know, my husband and I were discussing this, is how he managed to get as much momentum of speed. And like, you just heard this squeal and like the rev of an engine, and then this huge loud impact, and then the people screaming. And debris, just metal, the sound of crunching metal and bodies. It's just like shock and disbelief. You just don't,
She asked me why somebody would
Yeah,
do
like,
it.
you just
I just don't understand why somebody would do it.
I don't understand why somebody would do that. Just have no regard for life. I just don't understand how such evil can exist. I mean, I'm sad. I'm sad. It's not something that I'll ever forget. I really don't know, other than just a deep sadness.
Yeah.
And anger. I do have. I'm very angry at him.
The pedicabs, too. There were two pedicabs.
That was
absolutely
pedicab.
right
He hit the
behind the
passengers
barriers
on
and
the
knocked them all
pedicab.
over.
There were two pedicab drivers. He missed
so shaken up, she
the
didn't
driver,
realize.
and he angled and took out his passengers, and those were the bodies that went just all over the street.
And people, they sprung into action immediately doing.
I mean, they had
CPR
other
and everything.
friends, and then strangers were trying to give help, and I remember seeing a girl standing over a body crying and just, hysterically.
Yeah.
And the police did get here really, really quickly. And
After that, the
EMS.
SWAT, EMS
Oh, yeah,
came.
SWAT came
SWAT
in and
fully
thawed out.
tacked up and jumped out. It was nuts.
And we had no idea about the destruction down the way. And you wonder too, you're like, what is this guy doing? Is he drunk? What is he doing? And then to know that was his intent, was to cause as much carnage and destruction and kill people. It's sickening.